everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install Android Studios for Windows. Firstly, open any web browser and search for Android Studio on Google. Click on the link of developer.android.com. Now click on Download Android Studio. Scroll down and click on Terms and Condition box. Download Android Studio. Here you can see that it has been downloaded. Open the file. Click on Next. Here you can see the location for the Android Studio is there. So on my system, it is stored in this location. Click on Next and Install. Here you can see the Android Studio installing being processed. Installation is completed. Click on Next and then Finish. Now your Android Studio is successfully downloaded and installed.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.